We are going to install, review, and evaluate the Deepin 25.0.10 distribution. We enter the official website, click on Download, then Download again, and select the image. We boot the ISO and select the most recent kernel. We wait for the loading process to finish. Deepin is a distribution based on Debian and Ubuntu, and it has Chinese origins. Once inside the installer, we select the language and accept the license terms. Then we choose the full disk option and allow the system to install directly from the ISO image. We select the system disk and also the disk for data storage. In this case, the same disk is used. We keep the default option provided by Deepin and click Next. The installation process begins. The desktop environment included by default is Deepin. This distribution started in 2011 under the name Huey Linux and later became Deepin. We restart the system for the first boot. We enter the username, hostname, password, and password confirmation. By default, it does not include many keyboard layout options. We wait for the system configuration to finish. On the official website, it states that in the new 25.0.10 release many bugs were fixed and multiple optimizations were implemented. We enter the password, and then we enter the desktop. An animation is shown highlighting the system features, with a strong emphasis on the integrated UOS artificial intelligence. Next, we review the desktop environment, including the panel with an application dock and the UOS artificial intelligence bar. Then we explore the system settings and applications. We open the terminal and increase the font size and window size for better visibility. After that, we update the system and notice that it uses its own software repository. We install Fastfetch, Sysbench, and Firefox. However, Sysbench is not included in the official repository packages. We install Fastfetch and Firefox using sudo apt install. We need to compile Sysbench manually. We install the required dependencies such as git, make, and several libraries. The MySQL library is missing, so we replace it with MariaDB. We clone the repository, and once finished, we move into the Sysbench directory. We run the autogen sh script and then execute configure, but we receive an error related to MySQL. Since we are not evaluating databases, we use the parameter without MySQL. Then we run make to build the program, and finally sudo make install to start the installation. We run the Fastfetch command to obtain system information. We focus on idle memory and megabytes per package. The idle RAM is average, while the megabytes per package are very good. We execute commands to obtain the version, kernel, memory usage, disk usage, and boot time. The kernel version is average, but the boot time result is excellent. Now we run Sysbench to evaluate CPU performance, starting with 1 thread, and then 5 threads using mathematical operations. The results of both tests were very impressive. Next, we evaluate threads and mutexes to analyze concurrency handling and locking efficiency. The thread results are average, while the mutex performance is very strong. We test memory read and write operations to analyze system memory management. Both results are exceptional, even achieving the best performance among all tested distributions. In the same way, we test disk read and write performance to evaluate input and output operations. Once again, both values are outstanding and currently the best among the distributions. We then run top to analyze memory usage while opening Firefox with one window, then a second tab with video, and finally a third and fourth. The average usage remains normal. With this, we have completed the tests for Deepin 25.0.10. We close all windows and shut down the computer. Next, we move on to the conclusions after reviewing the results. Deepin is a modern distribution with a well-organized desktop environment and good visual presentation. Its configuration are simple, making it ideal for beginners. The performance exceeded my expectations. The optimizations mentioned on its website are actually implemented. Memory and disk results were better than all other distributions. Of the 50 distributions evaluated so far, Deepin currently ranks third. That is all for this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and enable notifications. See you in the next video.